Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Samsung keyboard is active and that emoji features are allowed. Open Settings, go to General Management, then Language and Input. Select Samsung keyboard as the default. Once done, tap Keyboard Settings and find the emoji option, toggle it on, or enable the keyboard toolbar. This gives you the visible emoji key or a smile icon in the toolbar. Enabling it now avoids extra steps later. Make sure your keyboard version is updated so these options appear. Now you'll insert emoji into any app. Open a messaging app and bring up the Samsung keyboard. Tap the emoji or smiley key on the toolbar. Once the emoji panel opens, swipe through category tabs or use the search field to type words like heart or smile for quick results. Tap an emoji to insert it into your message. If a character supports variants, long press to choose skin tones, genders, or alternate symbols. This approach saves time and keeps your message natural and expressive. To finish, personalize and fix common problems. You can add frequently used emoji to favorites or allow predictive suggestions so emoji appear in suggestion strips. Find those options in Samsung keyboard settings. If emoji won't show, restart the app, switch keyboards, then switch back, or toggle the emoji toolbar off and on. If problems persist, clear the keyboard cache in settings or update the Samsung keyboard app. This resolves most glitches. If you still see issues, reboot the phone and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.